Alright then. Right, so basically, clearing out my boot the other day, lifted up the thingy for the rear wheel area, and I found a little bit of water. So if you find water in your spare wheel well, the main culprit, well, which I'm pointing my finger at, is the rear light seals. So, oh no, I've just buried them. My boot. Right. All car bits and car fluid and blah blah blah. But, so these are your rear light seals. They're just foamy neoprene stuff, like 15 quid off eBay. So yeah, let's just crack on with getting these out. Not 100% sure how to do it, but we will find out. Right, so when removing your rib, I think it's a bumper off job to get them out, so we're just going to get straight on with that. So you've got these little clip covers there, you just pop it off, and there's a 10mm bolt in there, and I left that one in there, so let's get that out. Three screws there, and then there should be something there holding it in, but there's not on this one. So that just pops right out of there, like that. Alright, and then you've got to do that on the other side, and then we've got some clips underneath, I believe. Right, so now we're under the car. I can see 1, 2 pop clips here and there. And then there's only 2 pop clips underneath. You don't need to undo them bolts or anything. And yeah, it just pops off. Just like so. So I ain't got a jet wash here, but I really want to clean them up, clean all this crap up. But yeah, there's just 1 screw left down there, so let's just get that out now. There's a lot of issues with these being really rusty and cruddy, but mate, this one is near enough mint. I have not found 1 bad speck of rust on this car yet, which is so good. I had no idea when I was looking for when buying it either. So I think I'm off to a winner right here. Sound. Once you've got your rear bumper off and you notice that it's actually not rusty at all, you've got 2 10mm bolts down here holding your lights in, I think. I think they are. Or did I just remove that for no reason? I don't know. And then you've got a few in here under this cap, this little flap. There's 1, I think there's 3. But yeah, get them out, get the light out. Alright, to get to, there's another bolt all the way up here in this area. So I've just removed this area here, unclipped this from there, unclipped that from there, and then these pretty much just move freely now. There's meant to be a screw up there, which I don't have. So yeah, just slide that out the way. 3 pain in the arse bolts undone. This is now really loose, and I should just come out. Yes, like so. So that is how you remove your rear light and get to your rear light seal, which I believe is leaking. So let's get that out and have a butcher's at the condition of it. Yeah, it's 15 years old, so. But, you don't look in bad nick. Let's change it anyway. So let's get our new one. Exactly the same with the JR logo and stuff. So that's the correct one for that side. Slot it on there, just get it over, there's a little pin there, get in there, Right, lovely. Well, at least it gives me a bit of peace of mind now. If there gets any more water in the boot, it ain't the seal. So that's our brand new light seal. So we might as well just crack that one back in right now. So it doesn't look so smeggy. And then we can crack it all back together. Easy job this, easy. Right, so that is our brand new light seals. And our light's back in place now, so now all we've got to do is just crack the bumper back on. We're good to go. Not a bad job at all this, to be fair. Everything's gone right, no bolts have rounded off or shit, so... And I found no rust. So I'm proper happy with that. The process, just get it on, get your bolts in there, get the clips underneath, get your screws in there. Done. Done. Easy as that. Easy as. In around here is just clips, pop, pop, pop. Then there's clips around here and clips around here and in there. So once you've got all them in, it's pretty sturdy just like that. So I'm going to start off with the two 10mm bolts here and here. Start off with them. Then I'm going to go put the couple of screws in the liners and then put the pop clips in underneath. And that's your bumper back on. Honestly, that job was so easy. If I can do it, literally anyone can do it, because I have no idea what I'm doing 90% of the time. And yeah, I've never touched cars before, so...
I've done the final clear coat on this one. This one's looking absolutely gorgeous. But I have put the alloy on this one. It didn't come out as good as I'd like it to. It's still got some rough patches, but as far as visual effects, it looks perfectly fine to me.